Yeah. Myself Mukesh Patel. I'm having I was having rather very pain in my wisdom tooth on the lower jaw, the right side, and I was just looking for where to go for the treatment actually. And then I discussed with my colleague actually. He referred that you go to Dr. Agrawal's clinic, so there you will get the better treatments. So then I came here. In my experience with the treatment is excellent actually. I was treated by Dr. Agrawal and Dr. Arnav, and both are very kind with the patients. They just instruct everything before the start of the treatment, and also after the completion of the treatment also they say give the all the guidelines what we have to follow before coming for the next checkup or follow up.
Thank you so much, sir.